Hens are very hard working, and you know that hens lay eggs, and eggs are eaten by humans. How long do hens actually do this job of producing eggs? Well, once they're mature, they start producing eggs, and they lay approximately 1 egg a day. As they get older, they continue laying eggs until they die, and the amount of eggs decreases as they get older. I'm going to show you a reason why -1 times -1 equals +1 by using patterns and other logical reasons. We know 3 times 3 equals 9, 3 times 2 equals 6, and 3 times 1 equals 3, and 3 times 0 equals 0. As we decrease the second factor by 1, the product decreases by 3. So 3 times -1 should be 3 less than 0, or -3, or we have 3 -1s. 3 times -2 equals -6, which is 3 less than -3. Let's look at multiplying by -1. We can multiply -1 times 4 or 4 times -1. We have 4 -1s or -4. 3 -1s or -3. 2 -1s or -2. 1 -1, which is -1, and 0 -1s, which is 0. As we decrease the factor that we're multiplying by the negative number, our products actually are increasing by 1. On a number line, we would be moving to the right, because -1 is less than 0. We decreased our second factor by 1, but as you can see the pattern, the product is increasing by 1, so we should go up to 1. That is one reason, using this pattern. Another thing we can think of is we know that -1 times 1 equals -1, right here. -1 times 1. But the opposite of 1 is -1. So we're going to have multiply this by the opposite of 1, which is -1. Because -1 times 1 is -1. So 1 times -1 we know is -1. The opposite of -1 is +1. We can rewrite it a different way. -1 times 1 equals, or -1, equals the opposite of 1 times -1. 1 times any number is that number, or -1. The opposite of -1 is also +1. That is why -1 times -1 equals +1. I hope this cleared something up for you.